How to draw a rectangle with a thickness. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you how to draw a rectangle with a thickness in AutoCAD. Click the Home tab. Draw panel. Then the rectangle command. Or just type REC in the command line, then click Enter. Enter T for thickness. Specify the distance that the sides of the rectangle appear to be extruded. Finally, specify the first corner of the rectangle. Then specify the other corner of the rectangle. Now change the view from the view cube to check it.